So this time we've got this curve here, y equals x cubed minus 3x squared plus 11. And of course, to get the stationary points where the max or mins will be, we need to work out what dy dx is, yeah? Because at the max or min, the tangent at those points is flat, so dy dx will be 0. So if I differentiate this, dy by dx, that becomes, bring the 3 down, 3x squared, reduce that by 1. So 3x, bring the 3 down, reduce that by 1, so you get 3x squared. Bring the 2 down here, so times it by the 3, you get 6. And then reduce that by 1, so you get x. And the plus 11 disappears. Okay, so let me say, look, for stationary points, okay, for stationary points, the gradient function is 0, okay? Gradient is flat, so we put this equal to 0. 3x squared minus 6x equals to 0. Now when we've got x's in both terms here, how we solve this is just by factorizing to start with, okay? And it's a simple factorizing, you know, it's not as if we have to do double brackets, right? Like a quadratic like that, because we've just got two terms. So let's just see what common factors we've got here. Well, 3 goes into both terms, doesn't it? So we can put 3 here. And if you notice, x goes into both terms as well. So we can write x here, okay? Open bracket. And then we ask ourselves, what do I times by 3x to get 3x squared? That'll be x. What do I times by 3x to get minus 6x? That'll be minus 2. So then, when you've got two things times together equals 0. So we say, look, either 3x is equal to 0, okay? And that's easy then, because, 3 times x, well, if I take the 3 over and divide, then I'd have 0 divided by 3, which is 0. So, if 3x is 0, then that means x is going to be 0. Okay? Or x minus 2 is 0, which means x is equal to 2. So these are my 2 points, stationary points. So then all I've got to do is work out what y is. So when x is 0, we'll put it into the curve above, and that's easy, because that just comes out to be 11. And then when x is 2, y will equal to 2 cubed minus 3 times 2 squared plus 11. So if I work that out in my calculator, that comes out to be 7. Okay, so my 2 points are 0, 11, 2, 7. Okay, now I've got to determine the nature, and remember, to get the nature, I need to do the second derivative, right? Second derivative. So if you remember, my dy dx was 3x squared minus 6x, okay? So the second derivative will be d2y by dx squared, and bring that down then, so that'll be 6x, and then that becomes minus 6, okay? So I can say then, at these points, at the first points, what was it? 0, 11, d2y by dx squared is equal to 6 times 0 minus 6, which is equal to minus 6. Now that's a negative, which means then we get a maximum. And then at the other point, which was 2, 7, d2y by dx squared is equal to 6 times 2 minus 6, which equals to 6. Now because that's greater than 0, we can say that is a minimum. Okay.